Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasir, and today in this video I'll show you how you can activate roaming services on your Zong network. Remember, this method is only valid for the Zong network. If you are using a Telenor SIM card, you don't need to do this method, because in Telenor SIM the roaming services are automatically activated once you activate your SIM. So it's a very simple method that you can use to activate your Zong international roaming services. You just have to email the customer care that you want them to activate your international roaming services. Now I will show you a template that you can use in order for Zong to activate your international roaming services. So this is the template. So you have to email your message to customercare@zong.com.pk, and you also have to CC customer services at zong.com.pk. So the message that you have to write is that you have to tell them that you want them to activate your international services, and you have to mention the country that you are living in, and at the end you have to mention your name and the current Zong number that you are using it. Remember that you have to attach your national identity card with this email, so that they would verify your identity and would be able to proceed early. It normally takes 1 or 2 days for them to activate your roaming services, but in my case it took only a few hours to activate them. So when you send this email, you will get a reply like this, as you can see on the screen, that your roaming services have been activated and you can now use your SIM. So hopefully your roaming services will start working when you receive this email. But if they don't work, you can follow the steps they have sent you in the email, that like you have to manually select the network operator, but it rarely happens that it doesn't work. It should automatically work once they email you. So this is a simple step that you can use in order to activate your roaming services with Zong. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.